So I was walking around a trading hub and this happened. It's very unique. I think the first time a trade somewhat worked without getting like broken in 3 seconds. This is a lot of stuff. Yeah. I just accepted the trade and so I just accepted the trade and we're gonna see how this goes. Oh wait, they're typing in chat. Okay, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, so I'm going to accept it. We'll see how this goes. Okay, so we just accepted the trade, and, like, I've been wanting to shut him for, like, a while, and this is nice. So, anyways, thank you for watching, and have a good day.